Today we are drawing a cute and funny burrito. For this drawing you will need a pencil, a Sharpie, and 6 different color pencils. First step is to draw a huge U that will fit most of the page. When you're done with that U, you can draw a curve that connects the right side to the left and do the same thing on the other side until it reaches the first line and then stop. On what you just did, put a curvy rainbow in the middle. You can add rice like bumpy lines. And then weird shapes like squares and triangles for tomatoes. And a squiggly line between those tomatoes as a sour cream. Now add a bumpy rainbow on the top of your burrito as a lettuce. And if you want, you can add cheese, unless you're lactose. Then you don't have to add cheese. Now you draw big circles as eyes, 2 big ones, and then a little one in each circle, as shown in the video. And then you can add a smiley face and a tongue if you want. Now you'll get to your Sharpie and trace the burrito wrapper, the lettuce, the eyes, and the mouth. But don't do the insides yet, because we're doing that with a thin point marker. As you see, I'm tracing. I want the lettuce to stand out a little bit, which is why I'm doing it with the bigger marker. With the eyes, you'll fill it in with the Sharpie, except that little circle, you won't fill that in. So those are supposed to be like the pupils. That is super cute, and the mouth is super cute. When you're done with this part, you can use your thin point Sharpie and trace out the little details. So the meat, the rice, the cheese, the tomatoes, the sour cream. I really like the middle stuff. I think this is a very cute project if you want to do this. As you see now, I'm doing the little squiggly lines. After this, you can erase some of the pencil markings if you want, or if you just want to leave it in for subtle details of you actually did it, then you can do it. After this, you'll get your first color pencil, which should be tan, so you can get the color of the tortilla of the burrito, and you'll start coloring it. Well, you can also do the tongue too. The tongue is pink, and now you'll just start coloring the burrito wrapper or tortilla with tan. You could also do a silver if you want, and it could be like a burrito wrapper, but I just decided to do like the burrito without the wrapper. It's whatever your choice is. You can be a little bit you don't have to be exact with this because you will blend it out a little bit, so it doesn't look more like a color pencil. Now with the light brown, you'll go around the sides of the burrito, so around the Sharpie, and you'll get this light brown, and you'll just color the sides with the Sharpie on the burrito's wrapper. so it gives a little bit of dimension, and you can tell it's a burrito wrapper or tortilla. You don't have to do this if you want, but it makes your burrito look a lot better. And with this part, you can blend it a little bit, just so it looks a bit more natural. Now you'll color in your meat, which is brown, because like all meat is brown. This could be beef, and if you wanted, you could do like a gray for chicken. Now we're gonna get a red to color the tomatoes. Now we're just going to use that same tan again we used for the burrito wrapper and just color a little bit harder so it looks like cheese. Now we'll get the green, and you're just going to lightly color in the rest of it except the sour cream and the little bumpies around the meat, which is rice. And if you want with the lettuce, you can also blend it out a little bit so it doesn't look as much like colored pencil. In this part, I'm just filling in so it doesn't look as white. For your last part, you can add your signature so they know it's your piece of art. And thank you.